Another false fire alarm at 77 Huntley. When you live at 77 Huntley, you can constantly expect to have the fire alarm trigger pulled when there's actually no fire. See, there's no security here, and people come in and out, especially homeless people. They come in and out and they start smoking in areas where they're not supposed to be smoking, such as the stairwells and etc. So it's not unusual to hear these fire alarms sometimes at 2 or 3 in the morning. So that's life at 77 Huntley.